In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove holidays from Google Calendar. This is a simple process that can help keep your schedule from being cluttered with holiday events and focus on what truly matters. Whether you're using Google Calendar to manage your personal appointments or business meetings, sometimes these default holiday calendars might just add unnecessary information to your schedule. So, let's dive into making your calendar cleaner. First off, you'll want to access Google Calendar from your desktop browser. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Calendar. Once the page loads, you should see a list of your calendars on the left-hand side of the screen. This is your main control panel to manage and customize your calendar view. Now look for a section labeled My Calendars or Other Calendars. In here, you'll find a calendar named Holidays in Your Country. The country name will be the one you selected or was defaulted when you set up your Google Calendar. This calendar is what's populating your schedule with public holidays. When you found it, hover your mouse over holidays in your country, and you'll notice three vertical dots. This is the More Options menu. Click on these three dots to open a new set of choices for that specific calendar. Here you have a decision to make based on how you prefer to handle holiday listings. If you only want to hide these holidays from your Google Calendar view, but think you might need them later, you can simply select Hide from List. This option will remove the holiday calendar from your current view, but rest assured it's not deleted entirely. You can always bring it back if your needs change in the future. Alternatively, if you're absolutely sure that you won't need the holiday calendar cluttering up your schedule ever again, you can opt to remove it entirely. Here's how. After clicking on the settings from the dots menu, scroll down until you find the option to delete it. There should be an X next to that calendar name. Clicking this will remove it for good. Keep in mind though, removing it this way means that to get it back later, you would need to re-add it manually. And there you have it, a cleaner and more tailored Google Calendar at your disposal. You can now focus on more personal or essential events without the distraction of public holidays. Take a moment to enjoy this newly organized space and feel free to repeat these steps whenever you need to adjust your calendar to suit your changing needs. Happy scheduling!